there. Good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Do I look good today? Yes, I'm getting ready for school. Anyways, yesterday, guess what happened? I totally forget to put apple or like fruits for my birds. So today I'm making sure that I put some fruits for them and some nuts they like. Any plan for weekend, guys? I have so many plans. I am gonna do lots of gardening this week, and I'm planting more dahlias, maybe zinnias soon. Yeah, guys, stay tuned, okay? And be happy wherever you guys are. Take care, be safe. This is the fruits that I am getting ready for my birds. Apple, strawberries, and blueberries. I think they are the luckiest bird. Anyways, guys, be safe and please say thank you to your loved ones who care for you. Bye for now. See you in next video. Bye, guys. Here is the bird for them. Hi, Cocochi. Here you go, guys. Here you go, guys. Me. Oh, Baba. Yes. Yes, it's for you guys. Yes, have fun. Bye for now.